tons per year.
2 million kg.
To be precise, even last year we have 1.56 billion, as I told you.
Million kg. Million.
Billion, 1.658 billion a year. Now, talking of extension services, actually, our farm is was funded by NGO, but the stakeholders there, the farmers there, we took it upon ourselves to make sure that we do the needful. The extension services that the state provided for us has never been enough. It has always been the personal effort of individuals that we go out, having a capacity training here and there, that we are using to improve ourselves. I am not saying that the state is not doing anything. They have. But when you compare to the number of the farmers we have there and the time that they will even come around to do anything, you can really even say they have not nothing. So if there is a policy that mandated it for a particular body to visit clusters now and then, to give them extension services, train them, capacity training, it will eventually, if we are even having that, our production will even be more than what we have now. So by and large, the fact is that the government needs to wake up. One thing is to have a policy, you have a body that's supposed to go and produce extension services. Another thing is to see them. They are more or less not being seen on the field. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. We have one from Polaris Bank.
Roosters.
Look for someone from Ministry of Agri to tell us something